I'll record this so I can send it to you. It only records my explanation. So you use a formula from GCSE, difference of 2 squared. A squared minus B squared is equals to A minus B, A plus B. Have you seen that in GCSE?
Yeah.
Okay, if you haven't, it's a formula which you need to memorize. You need to learn this formula and memorize it. That's why they have pre-A-level course, because things like this, they'll assume you already know it. So what we want to do now is the A squared now is like our X squared, and the B squared is our 1 squared. So our A is X and our B is 1. So A is X, our B is 1. So it becomes X minus 1. A is X, our B is 1. So you can see what I'm doing there. I'm replacing A with X, replacing B with 1. Replacing A with X, replacing B with 1. So what that expression becomes now is X plus 1 divided by 2 times 3. All of those stays the same. And then instead of X squared minus 1, we replace it with X minus 1, X plus 1. Now, when you look in the numerator, there's X plus 1. You look at the denominator, there's X plus 1. And this works because there's a times there. If it was a plus there, you cannot do it. If it was a minus, you cannot cancel it out. Because it's a times, we can cancel it out. So what we can do now, we can cancel X plus 1 and cancel X plus 1. So what we left here is, it's like a 1 there and a 1 there. So 1 times 3, 1 times 3 is 3 divided by 2 times X minus 1. So you can write 2 bracket X minus 1. And when it stays like that, you cannot simplify anymore. That's your final answer. Or you can write it as 3 over 2x minus 2, just removing the bracket. You see the process of simplifying that?
Yeah.
If you write that down, one of the things that you write down is working out neatly. And if you're doing work, try and use colors. If you got red pen, you got highlighter, it helps you when you're revising, you can see what happened. Straight away, you can see I replace A with X, replace B with 1. These colors and highlighting, they help your eyes and your brain to focus on the important bits in mathematics, because math doesn't use words and sentences. You follow these symbols and all the arrows. So if you write that down, and then we can go to the next one after.